Have you ever found yourself facing challenges that seem insurmountable? I have to admit, life storms can hit hard. But here's the thing. Can you trust in a power greater than you? Trusting in God doesn't mean that you have all the answers. But it means finding peace in the unknown, knowing that a power greater than you is watching over you, knowing that a power greater than you is listening in rooms that your name is discussed, is watching as people conspire, lie, and do things to try and destroy and tarnish your name. It means trusting that no matter the results of what you're going through, it is what's meant to be and it is for your good. Drop a star if you trust in a power greater than those who are conspiring against you. Say it. God, my trust is in you.